Why you give me the side? Why you stare at me from the corner of your eyes?
I'm trying to create a bit of a fringe.
I think it would be really cute next to the horse.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So in today's video, the girls and I went to a strawberry farm and did some strawberry picking. I've made it a point lately to slow down a little bit and have them do activities that aren't so stimulating. So I thought that picking strawberries would be a fun one to do, and they loved it. They loved being able to fill up their punnet and being able to choose their strawberries. We then ate at the cafe. They had strawberry everything, so when I got home, I felt very inspired to make my very own strawberry dessert. So in a mixing bowl, I'm going to put some heavy cream and some sugar, and then I'm gonna whisk that until it's nice and thick. Gotta do a little dancey dance. And then I'm gonna grab some bread and cut off the crust. It's really important to cut off the crust because your children will let you know that they don't like it. Okay, so once your crust is cut off, you're going to grab some whipped cream and just spread that over one of the pieces of bread. And then you're going to grab some strawberries. I like to cut the tops off and then place them diagonally. That way when you cut into the actual dessert, it's a cute pattern created. Once that's done, you want to grab some whipped cream and basically fill in all the places that are empty, that don't have the strawberries in it. This might take a while, but it's quite fun to do. Okay, so once you're happy with that, get your other piece of bread and place it on top. And then we're going to grab some cling wrap and wrap our sandwich. This is actually a Japanese inspired dessert. It is super light and super airy. It's not a heavy dessert, so it's really nice and fresh for those summer days or just for any day where you don't feel like something too heavy. This is a great one to choose. And then you cut it open. This is what it looks like. Super pretty. And now the girls are going to leave you with a lovely vocal performance.
One berry, two berry, strawberry, shortcake.
Any winners here. I don't see any winners.
Just keep going. Just keep going.
You ruined every chance I had. Every single
Why you give me the side? Why you stare at me from the corner of your eyes?
But I could act.
Why are you being all dramatic?
I didn't think you'd seen it. Far out. Far out, mate. You see something I don't?
Babe, come on.
No, you laugh and making me weird. It's fucking cool for me.
You almost had it. Where did you just go?
Over here.
Okay. And where should you have gone?
I don't know, probably over there.
No.
Why?
Right next to it.
Why? But I'm yellow.
And I'm red. So you should call me. See, you're so close.
Oh,
Come on, get a zoom in. Get a zoom in. Come close. Y'all come watch this.
Oh man.
Okay. What's up, y'all? What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? Okay. I'm trying to get my hair together. Guys, I'm not a hair person at all. I've never been. I'm sure those of you who've been following me for years know that hair is just not my strong suit. But I'm really trying today. So today is a bit of a random day. I came up with this idea yesterday. I mean, I've had this in my mind for a while, but I just messaged my friend yesterday. She was up at the farm. I was like, hey, I want to shoot with one of Katie's horses. Will she let me? She was like, yeah, sure. And then today we're doing the photo shoot. So I'm excited though. I think that it's going to be hopefully a good shoot. I'm just a bit concerned about the weather, you know what I mean? It's raining, it's kind of dark. The shoot itself is going to be like in the arena, like in the actual horse riding arena. So it's not going to be somewhere like natural. I would have preferred it to be like on a beach or like in a forest or something like that. But we're just going to have to make do with what we have. I'm not complaining though because she's not even charging me for using her horse today. So I'm very grateful for that. What I'm doing here is I'm trying to create a bit of a fringe in the front because I just feel like this hair is a little bit flat. I want to add a bit of volume. So I'm trying to add a bit of layers. Ooh. Okay, it's a bit sharper than I would have liked, but it turned out pretty cute. Better than this side, which was surprising. This is usually my strong side. Okay. So I'm gonna curl this hair. I want a bit of a what is the vibe we're going for today? I'm trying to think of the name. I have my inspo images, but the vibe we're going for today is like farm woman, baddie, MILF. Do you get it? Oh god. I don't know. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but I'm hoping it turns out good. I hate doing hair, you guys. I'm just not talented in that area. I'm talented in a lot of things, but just hair isn't one of them. I've never been able to get hair right. I got my hair done once by a professional wig installer, Remy Lade, up in London, and I literally felt like a new person. I was like, what is this life? Like wigs actually like looking like lace wear for once. You know what I mean? I don't get that experience very often because I'm just not much of a wig slayer. I'm just talking to talk, to be honest. But anyways, I'm gonna add some curls in here.
Stress, you the best. Look, how you get so good at being modest, girl, be honest. You said you done trusting these niggas, made yourself a promise. I hate to make you take it back. I've been getting paid for rap, ain't talking about the drums. When I tell you I can make it clap, had to make you wait for that. You intrigued with conversation, you be moving dolo, I'm intrigued and I'm in admiration. I can gas you up, but I don't think you need the validation. Still you looking good, natural without no operation. Fuck my old bitches hating, fuck your old niggas too. Younger me, he wanted street stripes, but they wasn't blue. Now I'm banking on the sweet life when I'm next to you, giving you the credit you deserve, cause it's overdue. You got better when you met me, admit it. You said you done trusting niggas, but you did it. Move low key, but I really know you with it. Why you nonchalant when you really got them niggas?
So I've got this long skirt. You see it, right? I'm gonna hold this up for more of a ruching effect. To cinch in the waist a little bit more, I got this belt yesterday from Savers. I think it would be really cute next to the horse. Okay, I'm feeling good about it. The weather is not on my side, but it's alright. I feel like we're gonna get it done. So we'll see you on the road.
But you no longer take the content of your mind all that seriously.
So the horse is going to be inside the arena, and obviously we're shooting in there. If it doesn't stop raining, then it is what it is. But yeah, if it does stop, that would be great, because then we can have other options. See guys, what did I tell you? The sun is starting to come out, baby. It's the direction we're headed in, so feeling pretty good.
Show me what you made of. You know what I came for. I see the real you. You should let her out that cage more. I've been playing it cool, but couldn't lie to you. You know what I'm waiting on. Waiting on. Waiting on. I don't wanna wait no more. No more, yeah. More. Who had you down for the count when you needed to breathe it? Just got too hard on your mental. I've been around some time to care them bills when you had them passions. Remember, you knew me before the back. You seen the vision, you know me for showing you things. Knew how to rip it.
Hello guys. I feel like I haven't done an update in a while. We just finished wrapping up our shoot over here. Yeah, today was fun. It was a very like impromptu shoot, but I think that we got the vibes I was wanting to go for, which was great. I think we're gonna head off, probably go find some lunch because we haven't had lunch yet, so let's get going. Pumpkin?
Indeed. This reminds me, it reminds me so much of like Idaho. It's so similar. But you would get like beef jerky. There's a place that would like sell like beef jerky, but it looks so identical. Like it's
Does
like
it?
a wooden like cabin, like yeah.
It's taking you back.
It's pretty cool. I'll take a scoop of the cashews and then maybe also the mixed. A quarter of a scoop. Yeah, that's okay.
Hey guys, so I'm sitting here editing the vlog and I realized I didn't do an outro as always. Shoot turned out really well. Poor guy doesn't know what he's in for now because since he did such a fab job at that shoot, he's now been promoted. Wait, let me put that meme because it's actually hilarious and it fits this perfectly.
We just fired the person that does that, but now you have been promoted. You are now one of my elite employees.
That lady, she kills me every time. Every time. Like, why does she speak like that? Oh god. Okay, we had so much fun on that shoot and it honestly just made us, I mean, we go to the country quite often. We often go to vineyards and wineries and, you know, we take walks in the countryside. Having a farm is obviously work, but what I mean by farm is like more so, you know, a few animals, nothing crazy. Just a big plot of land out in the countryside. It's just, and we both agree. We're both like, yeah, let's do it. Sit out on the balcony and drink tea and watch your kids play. It's just, I don't think there's any peace like it. So it's definitely something that we want to do for sure. I've got a pretty exciting vlog coming up next where I'm redecorating my house. So stay tuned for that. I've got like the creative bug back in me, which is really nice. I think that it had been, it's been gone for a while. It's a nice fresh change around here. So if you're into seeing new spaces come alive, then come back in the next video and join me for that. But I hope you guys are having a fab day. Hope you're having a fab week and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.